In biology, there are several different ways in which species can evolve, known as the mechanisms of evolution. These include natural selection, genetic drift, gene flow, and non-random mating. To help you understand how these mechanisms work, we will demonstrate the effects of each one on a population of unicorns. Before we talk about those, though, we need to talk about mutations. Mutations occur when a random mistake in the DNA of an organism causes it to be born with a new trait. If this trait is then passed on to others, evolution can start to occur. For our population of unicorns, a mutation has occurred that has caused a couple of unicorns to be born with the ability to breathe fire. Being able to breathe fire gives unicorns an advantage. It's easier to hunt prey, and they can defend themselves from deadly dragons. Because of this, fire-breathing unicorns begin to outnumber normal unicorns over the course of many generations. This process is known as natural selection. A favorable trait has given a population a better chance to survive and pass on their genes. Unfortunately, with great power comes great responsibility, something that fire-breathing unicorns lack. One day they get a little too excited and end up burning down half of the forest where they live. All of the unicorns are evenly dispersed, and neither type is better equipped to deal with the forest fire, so by sheer random chance, more fire-breathing unicorns die than normal unicorns. This is called genetic drift. Completely random events or mating cause a change in the allele frequency of a population. One day, a newer, bluer unicorn flies into the existing population on an elegant rainbow. This blue unicorn starts mating with existing unicorns in the population, creating many more blue unicorns. This is known as gene flow. New genes are introduced to a population from outside, adding some new alleles to the mix. If this flow continued back and forth over time, the allele frequencies in the populations would eventually become the same. Now, what most people don't know about the female unicorn is that their favorite color is blue. This means that female unicorns strongly prefer to mate with blue unicorns instead of their white counterparts. As a result, the frequency of blue unicorns in the population increases dramatically over several generations. This is called non-random mating. Creatures choose to mate based on preferred phenotypes, thereby passing that gene on more frequently than others. All of these processes can cause a population to evolve over time. While some will occur by themselves, mutations can start an evolutionary process by introducing favorable genes. Over the course of many generations, evolution through these mechanisms can make a population more diverse or even create brand new species.